Hello, I am Maria J.C. Muhammad, your teacher in oral communication. Welcome to Lesson 4. The title of this lesson is Functions of Communication. This lesson is divided into two parts. The objectives of this lesson are: determine the verbal and non-verbal cues that a speaker uses in order to achieve a purpose. Second, utilize knowledge on the functions of communication in analyzing various communication situations. Third, recognize the importance of different communicative functions in your daily life. Every time you communicate with people around you, your manner of speaking, your tone of voice, and even your choice of words largely depend on the context and the person or people you are talking to. In this lesson, we are going to understand why we communicate, and we communicate because of different functions. The first function of communication is for control and regulation. Communication functions to regulate and control the behavior of a person or group of people. We speak to control him or to control them. The examples of this are: a teacher reprimanding a student, the class president telling his classmates to keep quiet, the guidance counselor letting the person ask for forgiveness. We speak because we want to control and regulate them. The second function of communication is for social interaction. Communication functions as a means to casually interact with other people. The examples of this are the following: talking to your friend, greeting your teacher along the corridor, speaking to a transferee. In this function, we communicate to basically interact with other people. The third function of communication is for motivation. Communication functions to inspire or motivate a person or people to be or do better. The examples of this are: giving an advice to a friend, promising a reward to the child, encouraging someone to work harder. We talk because we want to inspire and motivate. We talk to help them. The fourth function of communication is for information dissemination. This means that communication functions as a way to share information or data in order to educate. The examples of this are: a seminar on Humanities 101, a career talk orientation, a tutorial on a math seat work. In this function, we communicate to share knowledge. The last function of communication is for emotional expression. Communication functions as a way to connect to a person or people for the purpose of affecting them emotionally. The examples of this are: crying to a friend because of a broken heart, shouting at someone for being so mad at his mistake. In this case, we talk because we want to share our feelings. Don't forget the functions of communication as you use them every day. Knowing the function of communication will be helpful to your daily lives. I want to say thank you very much for watching my discussion, and I hope you learned something from it. And if it's not too much, I am asking you to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next lesson.